Sous le pont de Bercy, le musicien.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, no,
dude.
get the...
Need to get some food and like get the cat out of.
Oh my god!
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me, motherfucker, you!
Just a great day all around. Joe, can you just give me a second?
Just lay off the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try to find the drinks. I don't know where they're at.
Have you heard the new Sam Smith album?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Nah!
Jeez, it's not that bad.
Ha
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, pups.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
What are you doing in the Coca-Cola box? Oh my god, that's cute.
I want to go with you.